Today, guys, we are going house hunting. Yes, I have money now. I have money. So it's time for me to buy a house. Let's go. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Abiola. And I know, a lot of your people are probably wondering, is she not a student? How does she have the money to buy a house? Well, I'm going to tell you, I don't. I don't have the money to buy a house just yet. I will one day by God's grace, but I don't just yet. I am doing these videos because a few people have messaged me and they're like, Abiola, we're tired of just watching you indoors, talking to us. We want to see you, take us on a drive around the UK, we want to see the UK. So I got this idea that how about we go window shopping and look at how much houses are worth in the UK and what you get for a certain amount. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be taking guys around. We're going to look at houses that are for sale, and that's it. Let's go! Hey guys, so we're on our way. This is the motorway, which we would call Express in Nigeria anyway. It's a lovely weather today, but with UK weather, anything can change within seconds.
A few moments later.
Guys, can you see what I literally just said? That the weather can change within seconds. Look, it's raining again. This is how you know you're in the UK. When it rains every minute.
The first house we'll be looking at on this beautiful sunny day at Lambourne House, being built by Lovell Homes. This is the showroom, so everything is at it as it is going to be when it's built. To your right as you approach is the downstairs WC, which is actually a pretty decent size for WC. And this is a new development being done by houses in the UK now. This is the kitchen and dining. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. Got a lot of storage space, integrated appliances, double oven. You can see I love cleaning, and this would be like an ideal storage. And it's got a 4-seater dining set as well, which is perfect. You know, it's got extra space. Now to the living room. This actually opens into the garden, which is really nice, and it's got space to take 2 settees, which is 1 2-seater and 1 3-seater. The TV unit is by the wall. It may not offer so much flexibility in the design or arrangement, but you know, when you're designing your house, you can actually do anything with your space. You can have family over too as well, because it opens into the garden during the summer. So wonderful idea. Now before we go upstairs, there's a cloakroom, so additional storage for, you know, everything you want to just chuck in and put away for people to not see. On the first floor, or the first room, is the child's room. It's a single room, pretty good size, not too much flexibility, but also a decent size. This is the master bedroom. Oh, I love the lighting, I love the window, and I love this chandelier. It's very nice. This is the ensuite bathroom. This is actually a good size of ensuite bathroom. Usually old UK houses, just one family bathroom, so having this ensuite is actually a very nice idea. A mini storage as well, which is actually lovely space. The family bathroom, oh my gosh, this is nice. I do wish the tiles would go to the top of the wall, so but it's actually not a deal breaker for me, and I don't think it is for so many people. So this is the towel rail as well. It's really nice. This is the 3rd bedroom. Also a good size 3rd bedroom. It's going to be perfect for a couple or a family of 3. Oh, this is the 4th bedroom. Oh my gosh, this is the Ramsey. I love this property online. So when you come in, it's got a really good entrance. To the right, it's got the downstairs. You see what I say? It's really nice. I love the appliances here. It's all top notch, and it's all really standard and high quality and high standard. I mean, so to your left is the living room. Now this living room is really huge. You can see it takes conveniently 2 2-seaters and 1 3-seaters. When I did the measurement, it was about 20 square meter, and see the wall mirrors on the wall. It opens into a very big garden as well. It is really nice for the price. Now this is my heaven, like the kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. You can see the dining area takes conveniently up to 6 people, and then extra storage, the integrated and the storage to the side. I love that. You can see the extra storage on top of that. The laundry room, we're going to come to the laundry room later. You can see it's actually got a good space. It's got the wine fridge over there, and also, you know, this, I'm gonna open the cupboards because it's really good storage for me. This is actually an additional storage as well to, you know, decorate or place you know, sticker note, timetables, dining timetables, kitchen rules and whatnot. So it's really a good size for me. It's about 20 square meters as well, so I really love this development. Now to the laundry room, you can see it's got lots of storage in there for your washing machine, your washer dryer, so it's really perfect. This is a new thing that's been included in most new builds now, so that's why it's new builds for me rather than remodeling an old house really, but that's just a personal preference. Now upstairs, we're gonna go straight into the family bathroom. Now you can see what I say, the tiling, or when it goes up to the wall, it gives the room a different vibe, and this is really nice. Like I said, I love the appliances, standard and really nice, good quality as well. Now the master bedroom has got its own ensuite, which is a pretty good size as well. I would wish the WC is close to the wash and basin, but that's just me, it's personal preference. Most people don't think about that. It's got a sliding wardrobe as well, good lighting, perfect. This is the oh my gosh, this is really cute. I love this, and oh my gosh, this would be perfect for a little boy or girl or whatever. And it's got additional storage as well, which is really ideal. And now to the other room, this third, which is okay. It seems to me it's the same size as the master bedroom, but the only thing is it hasn't got an ensuite apparently, so you're just going to share the family bathroom. And this house would actually be very good for a couple, a family of 3, or a family of 4, a family of 5, whatever tickles one's fancy. Oh my gosh, dream big little one. This is really nice. I love the design they actually do in these show homes. Okay, straight on this. I love the flooring. It gives me like a rustic vibe. I don't know how to describe it, so goes left into the kitchen. Okay, small dining area, which is also good. The kitchen is really small and cozy, so it's an ideal setup for a family of 2, a family of 3. Got loads of storage as well, actually loads and loads of storage, so which is fine, it's perfect. And then you go on. Oh, I love this lighting in the hallway. It's really nice, gives it character. This is the guest toilet. It's a bit small. The wash and basin is a bit small for me, so it's probably not going to tick the box. This is the living room as well. It opens into the garden and it's really nice. 3-seater, 2-seater, so you could even actually put like an L-shaped sofa in here, probably. I'm not too sure because of the door, but that's fine. So we go up now. Okay, careful. So straight on into one of the rooms, the first bedroom, and a pretty good size, good lighting. The wardrobe is there, and extra storage for, you know, your coat, your jacket, or whatever you want to just keep behind the door. The family bathroom is actually nice as well. It takes, as you can see, conveniently everything, all the appliances needed. The second bed, oh my gosh, I love this lighting. Maybe I'm gonna find the link later if I do get it and put it in the chat box. And this is additional storage, and it's really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the video, and why not, if you have any further questions, just let me know. Drop it into the chat box. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thank you.